Okay, let me ask you a quick question, and, be honest. Does opening Laxmikanth ever feel like you're trying to lift, I don't know, a 50-kilogram dumbbell?
I think almost everyone just nodded their head. And look, if you did, you are definitely not alone.
Right.
It's the universal struggle of every UPSC aspirant. You feel like you're drowning under these super heavy books, and worse, these boring, monotonous lectures.
The ones that are basically designed to put you to sleep.
Exactly.
And that's precisely why we're here. I'm Vivek.
And I'm Vidya.
And we're the creators of Simplified UPSC by PPP. We're really just trying to be the helpful seniors that, maybe you never had.
That's the whole idea. Our mission is to, well, stop all the preaching.
All the lecturing.
And just start simplifying. We have a totally different philosophy.
We do. We call it dialogue-based learning.
And the core idea is actually really simple. Instead of a single professor just talking at you for an hour.
Which is so hard to focus on.
It's impossible. So instead of that, you're basically just listening to two friends discussing a topic.
We break it down, we ask each other questions, we interrupt. We have those aha moments right here with you.
It turns these really complex concepts into a conversation, making them not just easier to remember, but almost impossible to forget.
But, okay, I have to ask the big question. Is this just fluff? Are we just, skimming the surface? Because you can't crack UPSC with that.
That's a very fair question. And the answer is a very firm no. We build everything on the foundation of the standard Holy Grail books.
The real deal.
The real deal. So for polity, we are decoding Laxmikanth, pretty much line by line.
Okay.
For history, we're synthesizing everything from Spectrum and Bipin Chandra to R.S. Sharma and even the Tamil Nadu board NCERTs.
Wow. Okay, so you're covering all the bases.
All of them. For art and culture, it's Nitin Singhania. For economy, Sanjeev Verma. Society, Nitin Sangwan. We are covering the actual required material.
So let's talk about how you can actually get all of this. We've built this whole ecosystem, and the first part is completely free. You'll find all our high-quality dialogue videos right here on YouTube. And we also have a public Telegram channel with free notes for revision.
But then for those of you who want to go deeper, or maybe just go a lot faster, we have our premium ecosystem.
Right.
We call it the Ultimate UPSC Library.
Okay, so what's in the library? What makes it ultimate?
So it's a private, paid Telegram channel. And the first, I think the biggest benefit, is instant access. You get all the videos in a series all at once.
So no more waiting for daily uploads.
Exactly. If you want to binge watch the entire Modern History series this weekend, you can.
That's actually a game changer, especially before an exam.
It really is. And the second key benefit is our premium notes. These go beyond just summaries. They include extra previous year questions, PYQs, and even model mains answers.
Ah, so it helps you shift from just learning the content to actually applying it.
Precisely.
Okay, so how does someone get access? How do they join?
It's super simple. Just find us on Telegram. The channel is Simplified UPSC by PPP, and send us a quick DM. We'll get you all the details to get you in.
And, of course, you can also check out our website, where everything is laid out in a really structured way.
Oh, and a very important shout out. We also have a dedicated Hindi channel for all our aspirants who believe in Apni Pasha, Apni Tayari.
That's fantastic. So if this approach sounds like what you've been looking for,
please do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button on YouTube.
And ring the bell icon so you never miss a new deep dive.
And most importantly, share this channel with your study partners, the people who are going through this journey with you.
Let's do this. Let's crack this exam together.